Uh, Hi, myself Abhishek, and today I want to solve you Newton school assignment problem. The problem name is median of two sorted array. Okay, and the difficulty level of this problem is easy. Uh, First thing, read the problem statement. Then I move to logic and the explanation part, and also solve it. So here the given two sorted array like first array is A and second array is B, size and M respectively. Okay, and return the median of the two sorted array. The overall running time complexity should be order of log M plus n. Basically, in this case, I only log in, so I very generalized solution करना पड़ेगा इसको तो at the input constant first line input constant n and m length of array of a and b. Okay, and next two line contains input array a and b. Okay, at the constraint 1 to 1000 and minus 10 to the power 16 6 से plus 1 10 to the power 6 तक तो it is constant. So at the print the median of two sorted array up to two decimal place. Okay, so what is two decimal place value? Basically, here the given the median of two sorted array is this array is like first is like n and m, and here the first array or here second array. Okay, so here the array value is 2. Okay, but the in here the consider two decimal places. So I also print two decimal places value. Okay, so uh, for this problem I am using a buffer reader class for taken input because when I using buffer reader, so as is it is fast as compared to scanner class. Okay, so I already define at the like buffer reader class for taken input. Okay, and here the like my main function. So first I string. Okay, br dot read line, and also basically here the input 2 and 1. Okay, so I create like array or input a string value and trim the values. Okay, so here the trim, and also I am using split, and split is specify. Okay, so first is n integer dot parse int. I am passing like SSR 0, and here passing int n, and also passing integer dot parse int and srr 1. And I create a array like int arr mean new int n size. Okay, and second array also create m size. Okay, so here the int, and I also pass m. So first I take array 1 input, so I also again I create a string, then input arr1 assign new. Sorry, I again using br.readline and also split this array. So I'm using this and or int is equal to 0 colon less than n I then I pass the string value in integer. Okay, so integer dot parseInt and here I am using input array1. Okay, and I passing I. Okay, so it is first input, first array input, and I also input the second. So I input in array2. Okay, like for is equal to 0 and less than m semicolon plus I and the RRI of integer dot parseInt and the passing input array2. Okay, and I already created here the solve function, so I only have the passing the solve of this. So simple I passing solve. Okay, and first I passing array, then second array, then n, and then m. Okay, so here it is array. So it is basically it is returning double value. So here I use double and first I passing input ARR. Okay, then int BRR, then int and then int m. Okay, yeah. So now now basically what I do, basically I create two variable, two like int I is equal to 0 and also j is equal to 0. Okay, then I create count value to count variable to store the count of this. Then yeah, median of this value. Yeah. Create double. Then I am using m1 assign -1 comma m2 assign -1. Okay, then I again use for loop to count equal to 0 semicolon and count is less than equal like m plus n by 2. Because I find median, so median this means which element. So when I divided m plus n divided by 2, then it is and median value. Okay, and I increment the count. I'm to assign M1, and I check condition if I not equal n and j not equal m. Then what I do? Then I storing like array of I. Okay, and is greater than second array of j. Okay, and using ternary operator here. Okay, so array PRR and increment the j element, and else I assign the array one, like array of and increment I. Okay, now using else if I is less than n, then m1 assign array of increment the I. Okay, and else m1 assign like array and increment the j. Okay, and basically here the I missing bracket. Okay, so all cases is complete. So when all cases complete, I go out in loop and simply check if like m plus n remainder 2. Okay, remainder 2 equal 1, then return m1. Okay, and else return like m1 plus m2 by 2. Okay, and yeah, try to run it. Here line number 57. Here I am using basically I am not printing previous. Here I am not print any output, so it's not given output. Okay, so in output printing two decimal places value. Okay, so here the system dot out dot printf using percentage of f, percentage of 0.2f, because two decimal places value I print. Then I passing function. Okay, Yeah, so now it's correct. Try to again run. Like 2 1, then 1 3, then 2. So output is correct here. The output is 2.00. So its output is correct. Copy this and paste this. Try to submit. Maybe internet speed is very slow. I think. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Now it's all test cases is pass. Okay. Uh, at the all test cases pass, you can see. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I will continue this videos. Okay. Okay. Bye.